What's going on? We are doing a fuel pump. You always have to shut off the fuel system, get the pressure out. I usually remove the fuel pump relay. Boom. And then I'm replacing the gas tank shield because it's all rotted out. New filler neck, new hoses, new fuel pump, and a new gas cap. So I gotta remove this. It's all it's broken. It's gonna have a new cap on it, new filler neck, and then you gotta remove this rusty old gas tank shield and drop the fuel pump while I'm at it and change all that. So yeah, got a nice project here on this Wrangler. Peace.